Alright, so I'm gonna work on making a character blueprint. What happens when I just create a blueprint that is a character? I think I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna call this my Powie character, BP. I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. Why are you doing this? That's a weird thing. Okay, it's building it. All right. And I think what I want to do is kind of look between third-person character and kind of see like what these differences are. I don't really want that character. I don't really need. I will need that boom, the camera boom, and the follow camera. Okay. So let me go ahead and make a camera boom. Let's add a camera. Oh no, it's a spring arm. We'll call this camera boom. And then we will add a camera. And we will call that follow camera. Sure. There we go. And if I save that, compile, I don't like that compile button. I want it bigger. I'm not really a big fan of that. Oh. I'm going to go to my world settings. And I'm going to set this game mode to... Oh, let's check out my third-person game mode. I'm actually going to set then the game session player controller class, my default pawn class, to my Powie character BP. I think that means when I play this, yeah, I see I have nothing. Nothing. Which is fine. So the event graph has all this stuff. So gamepad input, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Let's go ahead and delete all these, copy that. And gonna go here, mouse input, jump. Why didn't you just copy the third-person character if you're just gonna copy the event graph? I don't know. Because I wanted to just do it this way, I guess. Movement input. And touch input, I don't really have touch, so don't really need it. I think, will that work? Let's compile that. Nope, some things don't have base turn rate, so I think I need to put, yep, base turn rate is a float and base lookup rate. Okay. Base turn rate, it's a variable. Let's add one. It is not a Boolean, it's a float. Change variable type. Yep, I know. How about now, what do we do if we compile it? Great! base lookup rate. Let's compile that. It's going to give me the same errors. No, it didn't. Okay, compiling works. Everything works. Let's see if this actually does work. Oh, yeah. I don't have the ability to look up yet, so kind of we'll figure that out. I'm not sure why. Construction graph. Lookup. Let's see. Use pawn control rotation. If this component is placed on a pawn, should it use the view control rotation of the pawn where possible? When disabled, the component will revert to using stored relative rotation of the component. Oh. This component itself does not rotate, but instead maintains its relative rotation to its parent as normal and just repositions and rotates its children as desired by the inherited. Okay. It's intriguing. So let's go ahead and play that. Yeah, now we've got this. Now we've got it. Okay. Cool. Now what do I want to do? Well, let's go ahead and go to my Powie character. I call him Powie. And I want to add a cylinder. Really? Oh, I don't want to add it there. I want to add it to here. Oh, is this... What's going on? My character mesh, skeletal mesh component. Let me just add this. Let's set this to 0. And I'm gonna scale it. Gonna scale it to 0.25. No, 0.5. Now I'm gonna unlock it, and I'm gonna take Z down to 0.25, 0.1. Sure. Maybe these should be 0.6. 0.6. And I think the thingamajig capsule component should be much smaller. Now, if I still do that, I'm going to need to bring this down here. Is that correct? Is it? Let's see what happens. Yeah. I might need a different type of component or capsule. Whee! This is fun. Oh, we'll just keep it that way because I'll probably have some wheels. No, you know what? Let's grab it. Scoochy scooch. Scooch it down just a little bit. Set that to 5 so I can go down to 5. I'm gonna need to do something, but that's not what today is about. I want to suck up the freaking garbage. Okay? Okay? So I guess what I'll do to see if I can make this a little fun is I'm going to, well, am I done? Yeah, 10 minutes is good. I just kind of made my vacuum cleaner. Yep, first part is my vacuum cleaner, and that's what I'm gonna keep. Was I gonna do one more thing? No, you know what I'm gonna do? Nope, that's what I'm doing. Okay, bye!